And then with the walls, I'll add other elements. So I'll come in here. I have this garage door that I like. So I'm going to grab this garage door image. And so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use this perspective warp again on this garage door that I threw in here and just select a piece of it and go to the edge and hit warp and then use the colored backgrounds as like a guide. So having that lined up. So if you have repeated patterns when you're creating the walls, the lines should stay vertical, but they'll increase in width as they extend out into space. And for this background here, in my example, I was putting some sort of like sky effect or something a little bit more surreal, but that wall can be something else too. It can be, if you have like bricks, I'm trying to see if I have maybe some brick textures or something else, but I had these clouds here. So I just shot the sky one day, got some clouds. And now with this one, you can also not use the perspective warp tool, use transform and just grab a corner. So if you don't have repeating patterns of some sort, you can do this by just grabbing corners. You're not gonna, with a texture that's randomized, it's gonna be hard to really tell. So it might be like a drop off of some sort. I'm gonna adjust this a little bit. So now I have some sort of three-dimensional space, and then I would go into this wall and do the same thing that I did with the gradient for the floor. Is I'd create a new layer and hit G for gradient. Maybe I'll use like a linear gradient, drag that up, playing with it, and then add a mask based on the wall. So I'll just command click on the wall, go to that gradient layer, and add a mask to that.